good afternoon, and welcome again to another live trading session with me at marketpotentials.com. Today is the 4th of December, just almost to 20 p.m. Local time in Singapore, actually, this is based on. I'm currently in Australia, in Sydney, and I'm looking at a couple of trading opportunities here on my laptop. If you're new to this, the platform you're looking at is the IQ option platform. I trade on my laptop directly, so you can just download it off your app store if you're looking at the same platform to use, or you can do it on your mobile or an internet browser as well. You can sign up for a free account. The account is free, and try how the platform is and see if you like it and how you'd like to continue using it. Now I'm looking at an opportunity here to trade. All right, I missed that one, but it's okay. I'm busy talking to you guys. I'm looking at the Great Britain pound versus the Australian dollar for a couple of trading opportunities today. Now, the charts that you see, the indicators that I'm using is really nothing new. They're not complicated to understand. They're pretty simple, actually. The top one that you see is basically the Bollinger charts. All of these indicators that I use are available for free on the platform. You don't have to pay for anything for it. This one here, that's the top one, and this one, the second one that you see here is the moving average convergence divergence, this one. The third one is the RSI, or the relative strength indicator, and the last one I use is awesome indicator. You can see all of them here, basically. Now this is a good time to go in, and I did just that. And let's see what happens. Right, so as you could see, I noticed a upswing right there. Hence the reason for entering the trade. Now, all I've got to do is for the next 15 seconds, if it ends up beyond this entry or strike price, then we are in the money. Tad bit risky, a little bit slow in clicking the up button here. So, all right. Still in the money. We made about 82% out of our initial investment of $750. So, total profit of $615 within a couple of minutes. As I said, I clicked, it's going to end up higher, just a tad bit slow. So a little bit risky there, but we ended up okay. Now I'm going to continue to look for another trade opportunity. This one I'm going to sit out because it's nowhere, it's somewhere in the middle. So I try to ensure that whatever trades I do, I try to ensure that I minimize my risks for the trade. I'm okay sitting out, waiting, being patient. That's one of the key things you want to remember, being a trader. Never let the emotions come into play. Always trade an amount that you are comfortable with, in case you lose an amount from the trade. So try to keep your trading amount per trade to within 1 to 5% of whatever you have to spare for the trading journey that you're doing. Pretty flat at the moment, a little bit of a downtrend coming, about 13 seconds to see if I want to enter this trade. I'm still assessing at the moment. I'm just going to speak to you about my thoughts and see when and if I want to do the trade. Okay, I'm going to sit this one out as well because there's, nowhere. You can see that the band is pretty tight. I generally prefer wider bands like this, so you more or less tell that there's going to be some significant movements coming up. Another pair I'm looking at is the Euro Great Britain pound pair as well. But this seems to be going in a pretty tight channel as well at the moment. So I'm just watching for an opportunity. About 30 seconds to see if I want to enter the next one. And what I usually do is, as we made about $615 off the first trade, I always try to ensure that the second trade is a lesser amount. The reason I do so, all right, this might be interesting. The reason I do so is because even if I do suffer a loss in this one, that, all right, that's a good chance. Damn it. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Tad bit slow on that. But as you can see, this was a good chance to go in. I'm pretty sure this was going to be in the money, this trade here. Um, so anyway, we put in $500 on that, and the reason I did so to enter the trade is, as you could see, it started going on an uptrend here, yeah, but unfortunately it's at a downtrend at the moment. Okay, ended up just in the nick of time in the money, but here's the reason why I did so. If you saw, the reason I entered it was where you see this blue line and the red line intersecting, that's basically showing a change in trend basically in the movement. So it was the beginning of an uptrend. There was obviously the risk being is you don't know how long the uptrend is going to last. Here being it lasted less than a couple of seconds after that, and it started going on a downswing and picked up just another swing up before it ended. So the risk was, I knew it was an uptrend, but I didn't know how long it's going to last. But it was worth for me to go in because I still have a bit of margin to play with from my first trade, the profit I made from my first trade. So I took the risk. It ended up being just nice. Second upswing, caught it, and ended up in the money. So $430 on the second trade, and about $615 off the first trade. I'm looking at $1,000 in profits in a couple of minutes of trading. So guys, this is all done on a live trading account on my IQ option account that you're looking at. So no BS. What you see is exactly what I'm doing. And what I want to tell you guys is, if I can do it, so can you. It's really not rocket science, just needs a little bit of understanding. Do check out the rest of my free trading videos that I have on my site. I share with you exactly how to do what I am doing almost every other day, and how trading binary options with IQ options can actually earn you a significant sum of amount on the side to fulfill all of your dreams. Yeah, guys. So thank you for watching. I'm going to call it a day. I usually target about $1,000 on the days that I'm trading, so I'm happy with what I made. So I'll be calling it a day, and do check out Market Potentials for other interesting articles and videos on trading. And I wish you all the best. I'll see you guys sometime soon. Cheers. Bye.